आइज आइज
It's a beautiful day, and no matter how difficult it is in monsoon, I've grown into loving monsoon just because of the spectacular views you get, the clear hills, and yeah, the clouds. It is all very, very beautiful, especially from this place. The view is awesome. Today we have a plan. We are going to visit our sister's place, and on the way last year when we did so, we discovered a waterfall, and let's hope for the best how the waterfall is gonna be. Me and my brother, we are going to the place and we're gonna trek. It is going to be around 4 hours of walking, and yeah, it is going to be a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, and yeah, everything seems so pretty out here. So we are buying some of our supplies, staying, which is the must. Money?
some chips na.
Chips पनि किन्ने.
Yesterday we had this one. It's gonna be our favorite.
दुईटा मात्रै भएको.
ज्यादा खाँदैन.
We finally crossed Chota Atta, that is my village, and still a lot of kilometers to cover, and yeah, we're excited. Took some few shots, and yeah,
More than 3 villages we have to cover now.
so we have to cross more 3 villages to reach. But on the way, we have the waterfall. Pretty excited, pretty very excited to see the waterfall again.
You also live away from our village, Chennai ma, and even I live away. But we always talk about how much we love our village.
Yeah, obviously, yeah, we do.
Ani, we always talk about like in the end we will settle over here.
Yeah.
So what makes you feel like what makes you love this place so much?
Actually, like I've explored many places, you know. Like I've gone many places, beautiful places, but among them, like हाम्रो यो जग्गा नै I feel like the most beautiful place, होइन सबै कुरा भएको एकदमै लाइक आइ एम लाइक ओल्ड के भन्छ त्यसलाई ओल्ड स्कुल टाइप होइन मलाई एकदमै गाउँ बस्ती नै मलाई प्रायः मनपर्छ आइभ गन लाइक भेरी ब्युटिफुल प्लेसेस सिटिज एन्ड अल बट एमङ देम आई लाइक द मोस्ट यो हुन्छ नि अब यो वेदर हुन्छ यो क्लाइमेट एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ आई लभ द मोस्ट त्यही हो त्यही कारणले एट द एन्ड आई वान्ट सेटल अन माई भिलेज ओन्ली द्याट्स माई
That's the spirit, bro.
So finally we are about to reach the waterfall. Beyond this cliff, the waterfall. Here is the waterfall, and let's see. It's not that big, it's not that huge, but it's really special for us because we discovered it last year. And yes, let's go. We are done with the waterfall. We have to go fast now, it's about to rain. It's about to rain, and we have to cover a lot of distance. Now we're not gonna film anymore, and we'll just. It is really beautiful over here. The waterfall may not be that grand, but it has a lot of memories, and it brought back the memories of last year. It was raining, and it was beautiful. We wanted to do this, and boom, broke it.